Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the muddy, noisy, and honestly, high-stakes reality of job site math. Look, let's be real for a second. Dirt work has a lot of math behind it. From cut and fill to gravel trucking, slope, fuel, production, wages, and estimating, there are literally numbers hiding behind every single bucket of dirt you move. And here is the hard truth of the industry. If you guessed wrong, it costs you time, or it costs you money. So let me ask you this. Have you ever been out there in the field staring at a grade stake in total confusion, just trying to eyeball your cut and fill numbers? Or maybe you've tried to guess exactly how many truckloads it's going to take to clear out a trench spoil. Man, we've all been there. But trying to figure out materials, slopes, and hauling logic on the fly without the right tools, that's just a recipe for blown budgets and delayed schedules.
For years, the industry standard has been, well, guessing in the truck. You know the drill. It's that expensive, old habit of scratching out rough estimates on the dashboard or doing complicated math on the back of a greasy fuel receipt. But today, we're contrasting that with knowing in the field. Imagine having precise, reliable, down-to-the-cubic-yard numbers right there in the trench with you. No more underbidding. No more calling some engineer in an office to double-check your material amounts. Just straight, practical math right in your pocket.
All right, Section 1, meet DirtCalculator.ca, the free job site solution.
So DirtCalculator.ca is this incredibly practical web app built specifically for heavy equipment operators, foremen, owner-operators, and small contractors. And to really emphasize the sheer volume of utility you're getting here, the app features 22 different heavy equipment calculators. That's 22 specific tools designed to help you get quick numbers out in the field, covering everything from excavation volume all the way to stripping ratios.
And honestly, here's the absolute best part. It costs exactly $0. The entire suite of calculators is completely free. There are no surprise fees, no hidden subscriptions, and definitely no paywalls blocking your answers when you're right in the middle of a shift. It's just a total no-brainer tool for anyone working around excavation, grading, trucking, and job site math. Okay, let's dive into this because the app is broken down into these really practical categories. You've got calculators for earthwork and cut fill, materials and aggregates, trucking and production, and even the financial stuff, like equipment cost and wages. It covers literally everything from moving dirt to making sure your crew is actually getting paid correctly. Moving on to Section 2. Inside the calculators, specifically earthwork and materials. Just picture it. An operator sitting in the excavator cab. They can just pull out their phone and instantly figure out cut and fill volume in cubic yards, or check the slope width and percent grade. You can calculate trench volume and exact pipe bedding deductions. And if you're wondering about material changes, there's actually a swell and shrinkage calculator to easily convert between bank, loose, and compacted measure. You can calculate cone or flat top stockpile volumes. Need materials? You can figure out the exact tons or truckloads needed for gravel, topsoil, road base, or concrete, all on the fly and without overcomplicating it.
Section 3, inside the calculators, focusing on trucking and costs. Now, this stuff is absolutely essential for estimators, owner-operators, and foremen standing beside their pickup trucks trying to plan out the day. These calculators actively stop you from underbidding. You can figure out cycle times and daily production, or use the haul truck match to see exactly how many trucks you're going to need to keep your shovel fully loaded. You can estimate job duration or dozer production rates for machines ranging from a D3 to a D11, and on the financial side, you can instantly find your true hourly equipment costs, calculate fuel costs with machine presets, or use the earthwork cost estimator for your total job cost. There's even an operator wage calculator that handles base pay, overtime, and tax-free LOA, which, by the way, is absolutely perfect for camp-style job math. What's really interesting about how they built this is the design philosophy. We aren't talking about some clunky desktop software here. It is mobile-first, designed specifically with fat buttons and large text for muddy hands and harsh job site lighting. And the absolute game changer? It works completely offline. Once you load it that first time, all 22 calculators work perfectly even if you're out in the middle of nowhere with zero cell service.
Section 4, the Operator Toolkit. This is their offline app for the field. So the Operator Toolkit is this simple, dark-themed, offline-first web app that you can actually get on a pay-what-you-want basis, starting at $0. It packs the heavy-hitting features you need daily: a cut-and-fill calculator with instant metric and imperial unit conversions, a trench volume calculator, and a fuel efficiency tracker in liters per hour or gallons per hour. But the real lifesavers here are the daily logbook for tracking your hours and equipment and the 10-item pre-trip equipment checklist. Everything saves directly to your phone. No logins, no cloud syncing, and absolutely zero privacy issues. Using it is incredibly fast, exactly like you need it to be in the field. Step 1, you just open it in your browser and tap Add to Home Screen. Step 2, punch in your dimensions and hit Calculate. Step 3, your logbook entries and checklist states save automatically. And Step 4, you can export your daily logs straight to a CSV file for your payroll or your own record keeping. It really is that simple.
All right, Section 5. The Dirt School ecosystem and resources to help you level up.
See, DirtCalculator.ca is actually just one piece of this massive DirtSchool.ca platform. This broader ecosystem provides comprehensive PDF study guides for apprentices who are trying to pass their Red Seal, NCCER, or IUOE exams. They offer the operator log system for tracking hours and a job site safety system packed with toolbox talks and checklists to help foremen stay compliant. And for those contractors out there who are tired of guessing on quotes, the construction estimating system provides cut and fill templates and bidding structures to make sure you actually turn a profit.
The core ethos running through the whole shebang is simple, but man, it's powerful. Built by operators for operators. I absolutely love this because these aren't shiny corporate tools built by office workers who've never even worn steel-toed boots. These are gritty, plain English, practical solutions built by people who actually know the trenches, who understand the stress of haul roads, and who know exactly what it takes to get the job done right.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's time to stop guessing. Guessing is expensive. Whether you're a first-year apprentice learning the ropes, a landscaper measuring topsoil, or an excavation contractor pricing a massive civil job, you need reliable math. Grab your phone right now and go get your free dirt work calculators at DirtCalculator.ca. And if you want to level up your career with guides, templates, and logbooks, be sure to check out DirtSchool.ca. I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on. Are you going to keep leaving your hard-earned profit margins up to dashboard guesswork? Or are you ready to know your exact numbers before the next bucket of dirt even moves? Choose certainty. Check it out and stay safe out there in the field.